Let me show you exactly how much money I've made on TikTok Shop from April through May this year so far in 2025. So back in March, I made a video breaking down my first quarter earnings on 2025, and that video actually did really well. So a lot of people were asking me to do a follow-up sharing my second quarter numbers thus far at the time of recording. We are about a part way through June, so here we are. So I'm going to share my screen here, show you my real earnings April 1st all the way through end of May. Not some fake, theoretical numbers. This is what I've actually earned on TikTok Shop as an affiliate, and the growth and consistency this year has been really cool to see. So I'm going to break down everything from, kind of what the approach I was using and what worked better than expected, but most importantly, the big picture decisions that I made that really moved the needle. So if you haven't watched that first quarter breakdown yet for March, go back, check that out, because this is, setting up a lot of the foundation that I talk about and show you in this video. And the reality is TikTok Shop continues to be the biggest opportunity for making serious money online right now, but the game has changed significantly and you have to adapt and stay ahead. So what was working, last year doesn't necessarily work this year, but again, a lot of the same things that I was doing beginning of this year, I'm still doing right now. So in this video, I'm sharing my month by month breakdown, exactly how I've earned well over $45,000 in 2 months so far, just in Q2, including a lot of the big picture decisions that I was making, right? So if you want to know what's actually working right now in TikTok Shop in mid 2025 and moving forward, not just tactics, but strategic numbers, what got me to where I am, this video is going to be for you. Okay, so before I get into the actual earnings here, I wanted to kind of show you guys, because again, a lot of people ask like, oh, why is the commission showing it's low? It's because I funnel a lot of my earnings to my agency, again, for a couple different reasons. I talk about that in another video, so if you want to go watch that video, go watch this one. But again, I just want to kind of show you guys here, all of this is getting, sent right into my dashboard right here, as you can see. So again, these numbers are different because when you earn the money versus when you actually get paid out is slightly different, right? But I just wanted to show you, this is kind of the dashboard, and this is why I'm going to show you the numbers the way that I'm showing you. Probably different than a lot of other people who are showing their flashy screenshots, but again, this way makes sense for tax purposes, band purposes, etc., etc. Go watch that video if you haven't. But let me flip over here to start over with my April numbers, right? So I will throw up some screenshots here because I did get some bonuses as well in both April and May. So let's start with April right here. We're going to go over, and again, so this is this massive spreadsheet right here. Very, very confusing. And in fact, there's like 3,000 rows, but I exported this just to kind of go over my process for this actual video and show you guys the numbers and do it real time so you can just see how I'm doing the sum here. So again, you've got this big dashboard, this big commission spreadsheet right here. And so if you see this column right here, you kind of have a ton of different columns, but this column right here labeled AI, as you can see right here, total agency commission, right? I am the agency, I am my own agency, so therefore the agency commission is the money that I am making. So simply what we're going to do is just going to add up the sum here and show you guys exactly what these numbers were. Again, these were the April numbers right here. So again, this was when the orders were created, which is the same way that you see the numbers on your TikTok Shop dashboard. So when you're looking at your April numbers, it's orders that were created in April, and then you get paid for them, like a week or two later, whatever that timeline is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick little sum function. So all we're going to do is get the sum from, again, AI is our total agency commission. We're going to do AI 2, which is where it starts, all the way down to like AI 5,000, because it's like 3,000 something rows. Again, huge spreadsheet right here. And this is going to be my numbers for actual April, right? So then we just got an error. That's perfect. Oh, there we go. That's why, because I typed in the wrong thing. So we're going to do AI 2 all the way to AI 5,000. Again, what am I doing here? There we go. Okay, so in total, actual commissions earned to my agency in the month of April was $18,190. Now, these were not the full numbers. I also got bonuses. So again, this is part of what it takes to get to that next level, is to actually negotiate some extra numbers, extra bonuses with a lot of these brands. When you start to do really well, you can negotiate these things. You can ask for more money, etc. So that was one of the things that I did. So in fact, this month specifically in April, I had 2 different bonuses paid out. I will throw up both of these screenshots somewhere on the screen right now so you can see. But again, both of those were paid out. So total numbers in April specifically was around $28,000. Again, these are my own TikTok Shop numbers personally. So again, the strategy that I was following to get to this point was, again, a lot of the same stuff that I was doing in Q1. So for example, my number 2 product in Q1, I talk about that, I had the numbers up there, I was still making money on this into actual April. So one of the bonuses that you see was a result of some of the numbers that I generated for this brand specifically. So again, a lot of the same products that I was doing in Q1, I was still doing at this point going into April in 2025, which allowed me to generate the $18,000, which again is a sum of this agency commission, which again, I am my own agency, as you guys can see from right here, Wiley Reserves. Now, before I dive into the biggest strategic shifts that I've made, I wanted to mention something about the level of thinking and strategy that is required to make decisions like this and get to this level in TikTok Shop, right? So this type of strategic planning and execution is exactly what I work on with everybody in the mentorship during our weekly one-on-one calls, as well as the group strategy session. So you can actually find a link in the description to that if you do want to check out that program. It is seriously designed for people who want to hit crazy numbers on TikTok Shop and think bigger picture about building a real business and not just chasing virality, having one good month and then falling off the next month and having no rhyme or reason for how to actually get back to that point. So we dive deep into the actual strategic decision-making progress that, drives these kind of results. When do you double down? When do you pivot? How do you actually read analysis on your TikTok Shop videos? And most importantly, how to build systems that allow you to scale this to the next level, to the 20, 30, 40K months. Group discussions, we're always talking about things happening in real time. The different level of strategic thinking, compared to most communities is drastically higher. So genuinely, we cannot work with everyone because there's a lot of individual and personal basis, and this is for only people who want to take this seriously. If you can't post every day, for the most part, this really isn't going to be for you. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, you can just click the first link in the description and book a call, and you'll be speaking directly with me. So back to the content. Going back into this right here, agency commission, $18,000. Again, really quality month for, this was on total only between a couple different accounts. Realistically, I wasn't posting more than 9 or 10 times a day, which when you do this for so long is really not that difficult. But again, the same process that I was following that allowed me to get to these points through January, February, and March is the same thing that I did in April specifically. So now let's switch over in May and kind of show you the updates for that. Again, I have another spreadsheet just to show you guys do this in real time. Again, but this is the cool part of having an actual agency is you can filter all of these things out and you get this cute little spreadsheet that you can dive into the data if you so choose. So that was the April numbers. Now let's go over to May right now. So again, same process right here. We are going to go to, and I already did it for everybody, but I'll do it here again in real time. If you look at AI right here, again, the label on that is total agency commission, and these are all, it's really cool to see, like, these are all the different items that I've sold on TikTok Shop just in the month of May. So you scroll down, this is a long spreadsheet. As you can see here, I think it's like 3,000 something rows. Again, these are all the numbers that I'm making. So it's just kind of cool to see, yes, people are still buying things on TikTok Shop, and arguably it's more than ever. So in total, I sold, let's keep scrolling here. This is way too long. In total, about 3,600 items on TikTok Shop, and this is all the agency amount that I'm getting. So let's scroll back to the top here, just do the sum real time so you guys can see. But we're going to do the sum here equals sum from AI as all the way down to, so we're going to go from AI2 to AI, let's just go to 5,000 to be safe. I'm going to sum that up, and as you can see right there, $18,414, as well as I will also throw up on the screen right here another bonus that I got. Again, this is the pros when you start to do really well for certain products. You negotiate these bonuses, etc., to really bump these numbers up, and if you're not doing this, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. But again, funniest thing about this, guess what my top 2 products in May were? The same 2 products that I've been doing now for 3-4 months. So again, when you follow this strategy to a T, it's the same thing that I've been doing since October, since August. In fact, I've just gotten better and more precise at it now, where I can negotiate all these different things. I can put myself in the best positions possible, and the way that I find these products is everything that I talk about on this channel in general. So $18,414 plus the bonus, around $23,000 in May on TikTok Shop with my own personal numbers. So I'm still doing it real time, even with all this other stuff going on, including working with people. But again, just goes to show it's very repeatable. It's very easy to do once you crack the code. And at that point, it's just plug and play for a very long period of time. So $23,000. And so thus far, you add up the numbers right there. If I can do quick math in my head, over $50,000 in 2 months in April and May on TikTok Shop, and posting around 8 to 9, 10 times a day. So that was my complete second quarter breakdown thus far, the numbers, but more importantly, the strategic thinking behind how I achieved them and how I put myself in those positions months before. So as you can see, TikTok Shop continues to be an incredible opportunity, but succeeding at this level, 20K plus, it requires thinking in a way that most people don't do. So if you watch my Q1 breakdown and this Q2 update thus far, you can see exactly how I'm doing the same things that I was doing, 4 or 5 months ago, just better. So you can obviously take these insights, start thinking more strategically about your own TikTok Shop videos, or you can keep chasing random tactics with no actual real long-term strategy and wonder why your results on a month-to-month basis stay extremely inconsistent. So at the end of the day, if you want to operate at this level and make these kind of strategic decisions with confidence, you can click the first link in my bio to apply for the mentorship program. Again, so we're going to get on a call, review your current approach, just kind of map out the shifts that you need to make to actually build something significant, hit these crazy life-changing money levels, and just see if it makes sense to work together. So don't forget to go back and watch my Q1 breakdown if you haven't seen it already. So it'll give you kind of the full picture of how I got to this point in the first place, starting back in the beginning of 2025. So make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.